Okay, real talk. Do you actually see yourself working 9 to 5 for the next 40 years? Like, are we really supposed to grind till our knees hurt just to retire when life's half over? Imagine waking up to the same routine, day after day, dreaming of freedom that keeps slipping away. It's exhausting just thinking about it. We were told to just get a good job, save a little, and one day you'll be free. But that promise doesn't hit the same anymore. Between student loans, sky-high rent, and groceries that cost more every week, it's like the game got harder but no one told us. Our parents could buy homes with one income. We can't even rent a decent apartment without 3 roommates and splitting Wi-Fi bills. The system's broken, but everyone keeps saying work harder. Like, girl, we're already giving it everything. It feels unfair, like we got handed a rigged game and told to smile through it, but what if there's another way? A smarter, quieter path that lets us retire early and actually live life, not just survive it. Hey everyone, I'm Sophia. Welcome back to Sophia Cash, where we're all about helping you glow up financially. Make sure to hit subscribe if you're done living paycheck to paycheck and you're ready to start building freedom. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice, okay besties? Today I'm breaking down how Gen Z women, yes, you can retire before 40. We'll talk mindset, money moves, lifestyle design, and how to actually make the math work. So grab your coffee, open your notes, and let's get you on the fast track to freedom. Retirement isn't about getting old, it's about your money working harder than you do. Imagine waking up knowing your bills are paid, your lifestyle's covered, and your time finally belongs to you. That's real freedom, not waiting till you're 65 to start living. The goal isn't luxury, it's independence. When your investments pay for your lifestyle, that's financial freedom. You're not chasing money anymore. Money is chasing you. That's when you start living on your own terms. Let's make it real. Say you spend $3,000 a month. That's $36,000 a year. If your money grows at 5% a year, you'd need about $720,000 invested. Sounds wild? Not really. If you start early, compounding becomes your best friend. So picture this: waking up without alarms, working because you want to, not because you have to. Maybe you're freelancing from Bali or chilling with your dog in your cozy apartment. That's what financial independence looks like. Here's the real glow up. Money isn't just for spending, it's your team of tiny workers. Every dollar you send out should be hustling for you, not disappearing into your shopping cart. The moment you start treating your money like employees, your mindset totally changes. Let's get real. That $200 you drop every month on new clothes, that's $2,400 a year. If you invest that instead, in 15 years, it could grow to over $100,000. That's not pocket change, that's your early retirement fund, quietly building behind the scenes. You're not missing out. You're choosing peace over pressure. That iced latte you skipped today, that's your rent money in retirement. Every small swap builds a future where you call the shots, not your bills. The trap is thinking, I deserve it, I worked hard. But the truth is, you deserve peace, not just stuff. Because real flex? Living life on your terms. Remember this, your money isn't about status, it's about freedom. Let's be real, the boring stuff makes you rich. Budgeting and investing aren't punishments, they're power moves. It's like giving your money a plan instead of letting it ghost you. Try the 50-30-20th rule, minus 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for investing in your future self. You don't have to cut all fun, just give your goals a bigger slice of the pie. Automate it, babe. Set your savings and investments to happen on autopilot. Make invest your default, not spend. That's how real financial independence builds. Quietly, while you live your best life. Forget the hype, no need to chase crypto or the next big thing. Simplicity wins every time. Stick to index funds, stay consistent, and let patience be your superpower. Like Buffett said, Spend what's left after saving, not the other way around. Let's be real. Depending on one paycheck is like walking a tightrope with no safety net. One income means one risk, and that's too scary for anyone dreaming of freedom. Multiple income streams? That's how you build security and options. The real move? Build skills that actually make money, digital, creative, or freelance. You start small online, monetize what you love, and suddenly you're not waiting for payday. You're creating it. Here's where it gets fun. Imagine having 3 side hustles making just $500 a month each. That's $18,000 a year. And if you invest it, boom, that's your 5-figure freedom accelerator working for you. But don't get lost in the hustle. Burnout is real. Focus on 1 or 2 streams that grow with you, not drain you. Like Buffett said, never depend on a single income. Build your mini economy, girl. Let's be real. Freedom isn't about owning more. It's about needing less. Every time you simplify your life, you buy back your time. The smaller your lifestyle, the faster you can hit financial freedom. And honestly, peace feels way richer than stuff. Here's the math. If you cut just $500 from your monthly expenses, you need $120,000 less to retire. Yup, simplicity literally buys you years of freedom. The less you spend, the less you need your job. Imagine your life lighter, a cozy apartment, no clutter, everything you own adds joy. You spend on memories, not on random stuff. It's not less, it's actually more of what matters. The system keeps selling us more. Bigger houses, trendier clothes, faster phones. But here's the twist. You win by wanting enough. When you stop chasing, you start living. That's where true freedom begins. Money management isn't just about math, it's about emotions. The truth is, most of us don't lose money because we're bad at investing. We lose it because we panic when things get shaky. The calm investor doesn't just survive, she thrives. Here's the crazy part. Emotional investors lose 3 to 5% more every single year. That might not sound like much, but over 20 years, that's literally hundreds of thousands gone. Like, you could have bought a house, but instead, you sold your stocks in a panic. Picture this. Everyone's freaking out. Markets are red, Twitter's a mess. But you're chill, sipping your matcha, letting your investments do their thing. That's real power. Emotional discipline is your superpower. So next time the market dips, don't chase trends or hit sell out of fear. Breathe, stay boring, stay consistent. Like Buffet said, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. That's how calm investors win. Compounding is like quiet magic. You don't see it working day to day, but give it time, and it turns small steps into massive results. Imagine planting a tiny seed today and watching it grow into a money tree that takes care of your future self. Here's the wild part. Just $500 a month, invested smartly at 10%, could grow into $1 million in 30 years. But wait 10 years to start? You lose half of it, like literally half. That's how powerful time is when you let it work for you. Every dollar you invest today is your future freedom calling. It's not about being rich overnight. It's about giving your future self more options, more peace, and more power. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Don't fall for the trap of saying, I'll start when I make more. You actually make more because you start. The best time to plant your money tree was 20 years ago. The second best time? Girl, it's right now. Retirement before 40 isn't fantasy. It's math plus mindset. Spend less, invest early, build skills, stay patient. The system wants you tired. You're here to be free. You don't need a miracle. You just need a plan and consistency. Future, you will thank present you. If this video helped you see money differently, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your bestie who's done being broke. Drop in the comments, what does freedom before 40 look like for you? Let's inspire each other. This is Sophia helping you glow up financially. Remember, girls, your dream life isn't waiting at 65. It's waiting for you to start today.